First time traveling? Watch this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Welcome to Travel Touris, your gateway to the world's most amazing destinations. Let's get you ready. Hey there, fellow traveler. Welcome to my little corner of the internet. It's so great to have you here. I can practically feel the excitement buzzing through the screen. You're about to embark on your very first big adventure. That is something truly special. I remember my first trip like it was yesterday. The mix of nerves and pure, unadulterated joy is a feeling you'll never forget. This is for you, the rookie explorer ready to take on the world. I want to help you sidestep those little bumps in the road. We'll turn travel jitters into travel genius. Think of me as your friendly guide, sharing a few secrets I've learned. My goal today is simple. Make your first journey as smooth and wonderful as possible. We'll go over 12 common mistakes new travelers make, and don't you worry. For every mistake, a simple, practical fix. These tips have saved me countless times, turning disasters into minor hiccups, or even funny stories later. So grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's chat. This isn't about scaring you. It's about empowering you. You've got this. Your amazing adventure is just around the corner. Before we dive in, take a deep breath. Let go of the pressure to have the perfect trip. First things first, don't skip double-checking your documents. It sounds basic, but many get tripped up. Make sure your passport isn't just unexpired. Lots of countries require 6 months validity past departure. Pull it out now. Check the date. Check your destination's entry rules. If you need a visa, apply early. Make digital copies and back them up. 5 minutes here saves heartbreak later. Next, overpacking. Classic first-timer move. We've all been there. You imagine every scenario and pack for each. You end up lugging what you'll never wear. Pack light, live more, lay it all out, have it, roll it. Use a simple color palette so everything mixes. A small bag, freedom and flexibility. Don't neglect health and meds. See your doctor first. Get vaccinations, bring enough prescriptions in original packaging, carry on only, and a tiny first aid kit. And please don't skip travel insurance. Understand cancellation, interruption, medical coverage, real peace of mind. Don't rely on one payment or airport exchanges. Airport rates are the worst. Notify your bank and cards. Bring a little local cash, then use ATMs and a no foreign fee card. Be aware, not anxious. Don't flash valuables. Share your plan and trust your gut. If it feels off, leave quickly and calmly. Prep your phone before you fly. Offline maps plus a local SIM or international plan beats roaming sharks. Then you're always connected when it counts. Embrace metros, buses, and trams. Cheaper and a real slice of local life. Learn tickets and passes. You'll feel like a pro fast. Wear bags up front. Lock zippers. Never hang bags on chair backs. Keep valuables out of sight so you can focus on the fun. Don't stick to tourist trap menus. Be a little adventurous. Walk away from the hubs and follow the crowds of locals. Order by pointing, ask for a recommendation. It's part of the fun. Then savor it. On day 1, ease in with well-cooked meals in clean spots. Choose sealed bottled water and skip ice unless purified. Soon you'll be tasting everything, feeling great as you go. Plan, but keep it flexible. 1 or 2 must-dos a day. Leave room to wander, linger, and just watch the world. Don't miss the moment by living through your screen. Look, listen, smell, and feel the place. These details become memories. Things won't be like home, and that's the point. Learn a few phrases and local etiquette. Effort opens doors. A smile goes a long way. Things will go wrong. Don't let small setbacks ruin your day. Often the detour is the story you'll tell forever. From packing light to smart money to embracing the unexpected. Your first trip is a rite of passage that will change you. You'll collect souvenirs, and memories that enrich your life. Go with confidence, kindness, and curiosity, and the world opens up. Thank you for spending this time with me. Safe travels. I can't wait to hear your adventures when you're back. If this helped, like, subscribe, and drop a comment. More travel wisdom coming your way. Your adventure starts now.